morning 5th class children. Today also the continuing for workbook children. Open your workbook page number 42. Today we are going to do page numbers 42, 43, 44, 45 children. Open your books. Take your pencil and eraser. Open page number 42. Look here children. The amount of sugar in 7 different foods was measured as a percent. The data is summarized in the bar graph below. So this is a bar graph children, and in this they are given 7 different food items and the percentage of sugar also given children. Look here, this is the title, amount of sugar in certain foods. This is the vertical line, percentage of sugar. In the horizontal line, 7 different food items are given. What is the first one? Ketchup, peanut butter, chocolate bar, ice cream, chocolate cake, soda, crackers. So look here, how much percent of sugar in ketchup? 9. Peanut butter 10. Chocolate bar 33. Highest. Ice cream 23. Chocolate cake 30. Soda 29. Crackers 12. Okay, let us see the questions children. How many categories are given in the graph? How many categories are given children? Yes, 7 different types of foods are given. 7. Which food has the highest percentage of sugar? Which one? 33 is the highest. That is chocolate bar. Right? Chocolate bar. Next one. Which food has the lowest percentage of sugar? Which is the lowest percentage sugar item? 9, 10, 33, 23, 30, 29, 12. Among these, which is the least one? 9. What is that name? Ketchup. Item name? Ketchup. 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 Next question. What percentage of sugar is in soda? In soda. The item soda has how much percentage of sugar? 29%. So write 29. What is the difference in percentage of sugar between ice cream and crackers? Difference means subtraction. So which items? Ice cream and crackers. Difference between these two. So ice cream has 23% of sugar. So write 23. And crackers has 12%. So write 12 minus 12. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. So the difference between those two items is 11. Okay, come to the next page children, page number 43. Happy Rhythms Music Store. The music store name is Happy Rhythms Music Store. Tracks the data on their sales of musical instruments. Draw a bar graph to represent the data and answer the questions. So guitar 640, flute 780, trumpet 470, veena 560, drums 470, piano 800. So here is a bar graph children. You have to draw bars here. So heading, title, sales of musical instrument and the items, guitar, flute, trumpet, veena, drums, piano. This is the number of instruments. So here you have to draw the bars children. So this is the bar graph for the given information, children. Look here, guitar. How much? How many are sold? 640. So draw bar. This is the 630 indication, children. So little bit more than 630. So this is the 640. Next, flute. How many? 780. So it is more than 720 and less than 810. So draw like this. Next one, trumpet. 470. So this is the 450 indication line. So little bit more. 470. Next one, veena. 560. So this is the 540 indication line. So little bit more. 560. Drums also 470, more than 450. Piano 800, more than 720 and less than 810. Okay, children. Now let us see the questions, children. Read the questions and write the answers. How many more guitars were sold than drums? So first of all, how many guitars are sold? 640. Difference means more, how many less means subtraction. So 640 minus, and how many drums are sold? Drums 470. 640 minus 470. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 7, not possible. Get borrow. 6 becomes 5, 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 7, 7. 5 minus 4, 1. So 170. 170 guitars were sold than drums. So write 170. Next one. Which are the two most sold instrument in the store? So which are the two most sold instrument? Which are sold highest? Piano and flute. These two are the most sold instruments. So write piano, P-I-A-N-O, piano, and the second one is flute, F-L-U-T-E, flute. Next, what is the difference in sales between trumpet and piano? So the difference between the trumpet and piano. So how many trumpets are sold? 470. And how many pianos are sold? 800. So the difference between these two means 800 minus 470. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 7, not possible. Get borrow. 8 becomes 7. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 7, 3. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 also 3. So 330. Next question. How many instruments were sold in all? In all together means addition. So here you have to add 640 plus 780 plus 470 plus 560 plus 470 plus 800. So write all the numbers here and add, children. So I am writing here 640, 780, 470, 560, again 470, 800. Add ones place. 0. All are zeros. 0. Next 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 7, 19. 19 plus 6, 25. 25 plus 7, 32. 3 is carry forward, 2 is in answer place. Next 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 4, 17. 17 plus 5, 22. 22 plus 4, 26. 26 plus 8, 34. 34 plus 3, 37. So total instruments 3720. Next read one. Next one. How many more veenas were sold than drums? the difference between the Veenas and drums. 560 minus 470. So do here 560 minus 470. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 7, not possible. Get bar. 5 becomes 4, 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 7, 9. 4 minus 4, 0. So answer 90. Last question. How many less flutes were sold than pianos? How many less flutes were sold than pianos? So pianos 800 and flutes 780. So the difference between 800 and 780, how much? 20. Very easy. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 8, not possible. Get borrow. 8 becomes 7. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 8, 2. 7 minus 7, 0. So 20 is the answer. Okay. Now come to the next page. The burgers sold by a bakery on different days during a week are as given below. Make a bar graph for the following data. So this is the information about the burgers sold by a bakery and they are given like tally marks. You have to convert into numbers and draw a bar graph here, children. Okay, let us count the tally marks. Monday. So look here, each bundle represent 5. So 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 5, 30. How many are remaining there? 2. So total 32. So in the next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5s are there. 5 5s, 25 plus 2, 27. The next one, 3 5s are there. 3 5s, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. Next one, 2 5s, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Next one, 2 5s only, 10. Last, Saturday. 4 5s, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. So here you have to draw a bar graph, children. So look here, children. Sales of burgers. This is the horizontal line. I wrote the days names in the vertical line. These are the number of burgers. Okay. So on Monday, how many burgers were sold? 32. So here this is the 30. You have to draw a line more than 30 and less than 35. Okay. Take a scale, draw like this, children. So 32. So you have to draw lines like this or you have to shade the bar also. Okay, next Tuesday, 27. So 27 is between 20 and 25. More than 20, less than 25. Less than, little bit less than 25. So, sorry children, 27 na. So more than 25, less than 30. So little bit more than 25. So draw a line up to here on Tuesday. How much? 27. Next Wednesday. How much? 18. More than 15, less than 20. Two numbers less than 20. So it is nearly 20. Next Thursday, 13. Less than 15, more than 10. So little bit less than 13. So draw a line. Little bit less than 13. Next Friday 10. Exactly draw a line up to 10. Next Saturday 21. So more than 20, little bit more than 20. Okay children, this is the bar graph about the given information. Now come to the next one. The number of toffees Ahmad shared with his friends is as shown in the tally marks. Make a pictograph for this data. So here look, Ahmad shared to Rahul how many? 5 plus 3, 8. Rehman 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. Reena 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 5s are there. 6 5s 30, 30 plus 1, 31. Rohit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 5s are 25 plus 2, 27. Ritesh 3 5s, 15. Rohan 5 plus 4, 9. So here you have to draw a pictograph children. Look here children, this is the trophy. Each trophy represent 2 and half trophy represent 1 children. Now here Rahul got 8. So 4 2s 8. Rehman got 13. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 2s 12 and another half. Next 31 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 2s 30, half 1. Next Rohit got 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 2s 26, half 27. 15. Ritesh got 15. So 7 2s 14, half plus 1, 15. Next Rohan 4 2s 8, half 1, 1. 8 plus 1, 9. Now come to the next page children. Use the pie chart to answer the following questions. Favorite pizza topping. So look here, mushrooms 26, sausage 24, bacon 14, anchovies 14, ham 12, pepperoni 10. So which was the most popular topping? Questions. Which was the most popular topping? Which number is the highest here? Yes, 26. What is that one? Mushroom. So write mushrooms. Next one. Which was the least popular topping? This which is the least one? Yes, 10. Pepperoni. Pepperoni. Next one. How many people said sausage was their favorite? Sausage. How many people said? 24. How many people said either anchovies or bacon was their favorite? Either anchovies or bacon. 14. Both are 14. Which two toppings did about half the people like the best? Mushrooms and sausage. Mushrooms. Second one, sausage. Next example. The marks obtained by Sam in an examination are as given below. Represent the below data on a pie chart. So look here. Subject marks obtained. English, French, Mathematics, EVS, Computer Science, projects. So these are the marks. So here you have to draw a pie chart children. Draw pie chart and mention these in the pie chart. Look here children, this is the pie chart. So first I divided the whole circle into 3 parts, children, like this. Each one 300. Okay, this is 300. Mathematics marks obtained 300. And next this part totally also 300, children. Now here I divided this 300 part into 2 parts. Each one 150, 150. English 150 and EVS 150. And the other last this one also 300, children. Again I divided this into 3 parts, children. 300s. French, computer science, projects. Okay, children, up to here we are completed workbook for the chapter smart tables and charts, children. In the next video we will discuss about the activity book.